We are already on the way to Paris. We have train, 2 hours to go, and
I'm gonna eat your snack. Oh, what is that?
it's healthy.
Please, everybody else not.
So I'm at the Nike distribution, getting the new collection for the Roland Garros tournament, and with Rocky, of course. And I got this special coffee with Lucie. Look at that. It's Rocky, and it's me playing the French Open. And I'm so excited. It's so special. We are shooting for My Tennis Live for Tennis channel. At Notre Dame for dinner, meeting friends. There's Sis. And there's beautiful Notre Dame Cathedral. Paris is lovely. Walking Rocky and the Eiffel Tower. Tomorrow match day. I won my first round at the Roland Garros today, but the line, because of the thunderstorm, is too long for the transportation. So we decided to run in the rain with the laundry. Let's do this! And the run in the rain is done. We are in the tiniest elevator in Paris, so.
But happy to be home.
Yes. Waiting for my first round doubles here at Roland Garros, and I know you guys probably wondering why we are not playing with Bethany here, because we won last year, but it was all so hard with my sickness. I didn't know if I will be able to play here, and I couldn't really commit to her, so she had to find another partner. It's my mistake. And that's why last minute we set up with Svetlana. I messaged Svetlana just before the deadline. Then we found out that she signed up 5 minutes to the sign-in deadline. So it's funny how we end up playing. And so I'm excited that we play soon. And let's see how it goes.